Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My name's Alex, and today I'm going to be cooking something very exciting. It's a unique kind of food. I finally got my hands on it, so I'm excited to finally be able to try it on camera and try it together and react to see how it tastes and all that stuff. Before I continue with the video, subscribe to this channel if you like this kind of stuff. My YouTube channel videos are kind of all over the place. I'm sure you'll like at least one of the videos. I also have a podcast channel, and then I have my Instagram, my personal Instagram, and my art Instagram. So check it out. I'm sure like I said, you'll like at least one of the things that I'm up to. It's all very near and dear to my heart. They're all projects that I really love, and yeah, let me know what you think. And check it out, subscribe, all that stuff, like it, and all that. So anyways, on with the video. I have here in my hands the ostrich egg. Okay, it took me a while to get my hands on this. When I first moved to California, I passed by this farm stand all the time that had these on a shelf, and I was always intrigued, but I never thought of getting one. I figured it would make a great video, so I also wanted to make a video about it, but I also wanted to just try it out, because who has the experience of eating an ostrich egg? Not many people at all. So I decided to get one, and we're gonna try it together. So the shell is super hard. It's not like a chicken egg, and it's the equivalent of about 24 eggs. So it's a lot of egg. We're gonna crack it into this bowl, and then I'm gonna pour it into a gigantic cast iron, and I'm gonna try to do it sunny side up just to see. Just for the effect of it, because making a gigantic scramble, it's like I could just make 24 scrambled eggs. I want just to see that gigantic yolk and all that. Anyways, so yeah, let's try it together, and I'm gonna prepare it on camera together, and we're going to taste test it. So come with me, and then we will make and cook this beautiful ostrich egg. Alright, y'all, let's try this out. I don't know how well this is gonna do. Okay, wow. That is I don't know if you can see it very well, but that is a gigantic egg yolk. So we're going to cook it. I saw someone talking about them cooking the egg whites first and then the yolk, putting it on top for like the sunny side egg kind of thing, sunny side up egg kind of thing. So we'll do that, and then and we're gonna try it. So anyways, let's cook this egg. I'm trying my hardest not to break that yolk. created a little hole. Alright guys, so I am sitting here with this finished egg. I cooked the egg whites separately. I tried a piece of it. It's not very good. So, well, it's not just good by itself. It was too proteiny. It was too much. It's not like a chicken egg white. But I'm about to try just the egg yolk and a little bit of egg white with it. It was just, I just didn't, most of the egg white was separated, but we still got some in here. So I'm gonna try it this way, just because it was a bit much. So we're going to try. Cheers. It's an egg. It tastes like a lot of egg yolk. It's good. It's if you like eggs, just straight up, it really just tastes like a large egg yolk. So yeah, I wouldn't really eat. I wouldn't buy one for one person or even two people. I would really just split this amongst 4 people. It was good. It was an egg. Like I said, it was an egg yolk. That's what it tastes like. I would split it with more than 4 people, like I said, and do something fun with the yolk. I don't know, dip veggies in it or something, or do a scramble and then serve it that way. It's not really, I can see why it's not like something that people sell all the time. It's really just to say you ate an ostrich egg, I think. It seems like it's a little more proteiny than, like there's more protein than the yolk, like in proportion to like a chicken egg. It seems like there's more egg white than the actual egg yolk in an ostrich egg. So that's just what I observed. Tastes great. I'm gonna eat as much as I can. Maybe add it to a salad or something. And then, yeah, I'm glad you got to watch this and enjoy this with me. I have, like I said, been trying to get this for a while, and I finally got to taste what an ostrich egg tasted like. And I got the ostrich egg shell that I'm probably gonna just put as much of it together as I can and keep it as like a decoration or something. Anyways, thanks again for watching. Subscribe if you like this channel. And yeah, subscribe if you like it, and then check out my other videos too. I got other videos of me eating exotic fruit and, eating a big rainbow platter. I got, a ton of other stuff. My artwork, some music, and rants and all that. So check out all that stuff. This has just been a fun video for me to try out. Finally trying ostrich egg. Anyways, have a good day, and be blessed, be nourished, and stay hydrated. It's hot out.